Back to Bluewhalecrypto. Today in this video we will talk about Bitcoin, we will talk about Ethereum. We will go through in-depth information about the market, which are the key levels, which are the things that we need to understand before taking any long and short position inside the market. So without wasting any more time, let's get into it. If you haven't subscribed my channel, do make sure to subscribe it. Do make sure to show your love in the comment section. Are you guys making immense profit or not? I believe yes, you are already making immense profit with the Bluewhalecrypto. So let's get into it. First thing first, as usual, we will talk about Bitcoin. And as you can see that this is the Bitcoin chart for the 1 day time frame, and you can see that we have a very bullish pattern right in front of us, that is inverse head and shoulder pattern. Okay, and how this pattern works out, in order to work out this pattern, we first of all need a confirmation, and we need a confirmation, we need a break, above this range, the previous resistance, the major resistance that I have marked, the pink box. We need a breaker above this range, that is going to be $25,200, a daily candle closing above it, and as well as a weekly closing. If we are getting both of these things simultaneously in this week, then in that case we can expect a good price movement inside the price of Bitcoin. And which is the shortest target that we can expect from the price of Bitcoin, that is going to be the range of $28,000 to $29,000. Why I'm talking about that? Because in this range there is a very low volume, there is no volume previously, the price had fallen down drastically in this range, so there will be no such type of resistance in the zone. So what we can expect from the price of Bitcoin, we can see a huge jump on an immediate basis, and we can go rooftop with them, we can go skyrocket, and we can reach out the roof, that is going to be $28,000 to $29,000, where I will be booking up my most of my profits. Okay, and if you are still willing to get into a long-term perspective, yes, this is a good level once we get a break above it. Now what actually is happening right now, let's just talk about it. Now let's just not go blindly bullish. Okay, I'll also talk about where I took my short positions, because I also informed you previously, and we have made immense amount of profit yesterday by just shorting the top. Okay guys, we have long the bottom and we have shorted the top. Okay, right now, previously yesterday we have just got a wick. So until unless we are not getting a clear candle like a bullish green candle above the zone, we cannot determine that this is a perfect breakout. As of now, still the price can consolidate here for few days, and then we can look for a breaker. The price can go lows, make some lows, and then we can see a breaker, and then we can go up. This is what I expect from the price of Bitcoin, because right now many people are bullish and many people are longing Bitcoin. The moment where we need to long was this area, but after the 30% of the move of the Bitcoin, people are trying to get into the longs. And as well as when the Bitcoin was breaking 26,000, it was breaking 25,000 previously. Yesterday many people tried to long it and they all got wrecked, guys. Okay, so we need to understand, we have to go with the macros, we have to look for the long term. Yes, the long term looks pretty bullish in the coming days and weeks. It's going to be pretty bullish, guys. Okay, but as of now, we have to see, we have to look for a macro breaker and a retest on this level. Then and only then we will be looking for any bullishness or any confirmation on the price of Bitcoin. Coming up with the next that I will talk about is, this is a resistance area that is acting as a clear resistance for multiple times. Okay, you can see that, and so does it went through the same yesterday. And where I took my short positions, I already informed you every single thing in my yesterday's video. If you haven't watched it, do make sure to watch it. It's going to be a knowledgeable thing. Never miss out any update from my videos, because that's going to give you free signals, guys, a lot of information, a lot of knowledge, guys, and you can generate a lot of profit on the daily basis, guys. And the results are right in front of you, guys. I made 700% clear profit with just $100 investment. What you are making, guys? $700, guys. 700 clear profit, guys. Okay, I'm not saying you will be just waiting for the end of 700. You cannot book the top, you cannot book the at the bottom. So what we will be looking for along the way. If you are even making profits, you are making 500 to 400, 500 to 600 dollars profit, guys. This is an immense amount of profit for a small trader. If you are a small trader, if your portfolio is for $1,000, $500, $1,000, $2,000, and if you're making $700 to 500 to $1,000 on a daily basis, this is a big thing for you. You can quit your job and you can make immense profit on a daily basis. That's why, guys, my premium inquiries are, if you want, you can join my Telegram channel. You can join my premium signal group, in which I provide signals based on scalping purpose, in which the signal would be taken up on the basis of 5 minutes, okay, and within that time, and our stop loss is pretty tight, okay. Even we are taking a higher leverage, the stop loss will be 50% loss. On the basis we are getting 100 to 200% of profit. That's how we do it, guys. That's how we do it. Nothing is a financial advice, but I believe me, guys, you've been inside this market and you've been trading by your own. If you have a good mentor, you will be making a lot of money, guys. Rest up to you. Coming up with the next that I will talk about in the short term basis. Look, what we have seen an huge upside move, and after this upside move we have seen a downward. Now what I am determining could actually happen, this looks like a head and shoulder pattern in a 1 hourly time frame. I'm sorry, let me just draw it again so you can, it could possibly go this way, okay. And if it's going this way, I will surely gonna look for one more short position. My previous short position is still open. I also provided a free signal today in my Telegram free group, in which I shorted the Bitcoin with my other exchange, and again booked a profit of 70%. Previously 700%, today 70%. Every day scalping, good profit is being generated. Now this is the range in which I will look for another short opportunity if I get a clear breakdown below this trend line. If you want, I can stretch it out in a shorter time frame, so you can look that we've been consolidating and the price is getting weaker, and the bullish momentum is also getting weaker, because many people are trying to long Bitcoin. And if I'm getting opportunity, again I will look for a long opportunity at $22,700 to $500. Further updates will be given out to you guys on my Telegram channel, so if you haven't joined it, do make sure to join it right away, right now, guys. Now major thing that I will talk about is going to be Ethereum, guys. So here is the Ethereum chart, okay. Ethereum chart on a daily time frame. This is a triangle pattern that has been formed out by the Ethereum, and most probably we would have gotten a breakout yesterday, but we again got a wick, same like Bitcoin, okay. So if we are getting a breakout today above this zone, I will probably gonna look for a long opportunity inside the price of Ethereum, and which will go much higher, and which can give us an immense amount of profit in the upcoming days. Again, guys, nothing is a financial advice. Don't blindly look for longs right now. I'm looking for, or probably I'm looking for pullbacks. As soon as I see some pullbacks inside the market, I will be looking for the support areas where I will be looking for longs, okay. So do make sure to unmute the Telegram channel and pin the channel at the top, so that you can get free signals and daily updates on time, guys. This was all about the quick market update and for the movement of the market. I hope you have learned a lot from this video and will be making a lot of profit in the upcoming days. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.